I actually faced up to someone who's been envious of me most of my life, probably all my life. And I faced up to him and I told him, "You're just fucking jealous. Once you get over your jealousy and your madness, then I'll sit down and talk to you." And that just made them even fucking worse. They exploded. That's how you brain bomb a sick person. Once you get over your sickness, we'll talk. And I've been telling these people for years, go and see someone. Go and see someone. You're wearing a persona, it's a mask, and you're trying to keep that mask going, and it's killing you. All the poison is pouring out of you, especially as you get older. As I said, 50, 55, the poison starts to come out. Please go and see someone about your mental illness and why you're jealous of people and envious. That is not normal. A little bit is okay. But to hate the other person for it, that's a sickness. You're ill now. You have an issue that you're supposed to handle because that issue, it's going to destroy you. And fuck, have I seen people destroyed. And I'm sick of watching people destroy themselves. And not just themselves, they've already destroyed everybody around them. Everything just rotting around them. It rots. Everything is stagnant in their lives and it just rots. And I can't live in that atmosphere. I need life. I need freshness. I need something fresh, something creative, something wonderful that I can think about, not something stagnant and polluted and poisonous to think about. So when they try to pump their bullshit into my head automatically goes, whoa, let's fuck this one. Because that's exactly what they're trying to do to me. They're trying to fuck my brain. So I get back and I start saying my truth. And it's not just my truth, it's a truth that stands the test of time. Most of my truths do stand the test of time, just like any other philosopher. It stands the test of time. And all this came to me naturally because of the battles I've had in my life and the struggles.